You can also export out your diagrams in different formats from diagrams.net. So to do that, you need to go around onto the file menu, and over here you can see export as is an option. So over here you can see that you can export it in regularly used formats like PNG or JPG, or regularly used vector graphics format, that is SVG as well. You can export it as PDF or VSDX, which is much more rare format, but this is supported as well and is beta at the time of recording. And you can export it as an HTML, XML, and in URL as well, and even go around, access the advanced settings right here and choose the settings according to how you want. So let's say I'm going to save this as JPG right here, and the zoom level that I want right here is to 100%. So this is the width and height right now, and the background is going to be transparent. So I'm just going to go around and click on export right here, and on my desktop I'm just going to go around and press save, and here you can see that it is exported in SVG format. So if I were to go around and double click, now you can see that this is the SVG format that is exported in. And since SVG format is a vector graphics format, no matter how much I zoom in, it does not actually go around and then pixelate out right here. But if you want to export this as an image, you can go around onto file right here, and then you can go to export as right here, and then you can select JPG or PNG as well. So let's say I want the zoom percentage to be 200%, and the size is going to be diagram right here, and I'm going to export out shadow as well. So I'm just going to go around, click on export, and over here I'm going to press save, and this is what you have, as you can see right here. And since we enabled out the shadows, you can see the shadow over here as well. But since this is a picture file, you can see that it pixelates as I zoom in. And that is how you can go around and utilize the exporting options to export your drawings in various formats from diagrams.net. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.